What's up, people? We're here in Middlebury, Indiana to check out the Grand Design Factory Tour. Linda and I both are here.
Hi!
And we're going to check out our new Solitude 390 RK-R. Supposed to have started being built yesterday. And we're going today, and it should be finished tomorrow. A little update for you guys is that oh yeah, by the way, I got RV there yet. New t-shirt from my daughter. She's awesome. Some things have changed a little bit here lately. We did order the Grand Design in April, and it's supposed to be being built right now, yesterday, today, and tomorrow. And then it's supposed to be delivered to St. Louis, well, actually Bonne Terre, in a couple weeks, and we should be taking delivery shortly thereafter. Oh, what's Jessica want now? And we also ordered a truck, F-350, crew cab, 4x4, dually, diesel, yeah. It's going to be big. But we're going to be able to take our Solitude 390 anywhere we want. But thought we'd give you a little update though right now. Today, well, as of yesterday, we drove about 6 or 7 hours to get up here to northern Indiana so that we could see our new rig in all its glory. And we stayed overnight last night in Goshen, Indiana. There were RVs everywhere. Everywhere you look, there were dozens and dozens and dozens of RVs. I don't understand when they say there's nothing at the dealers when there are tons of them up here on lots all over the place. Everywhere you turn, there's nothing but RVs, right? And
yes.
That's right, isn't it?
Yes. It's very
I
right.
mean, it's just ridiculous how many are just sitting around on lots and not being used or not being sent out to the public to buy, purchase, take ownership, whatever. But I guess they're kind of like the trucks and everything else, probably waiting on parts, different part here and there that's missing, and so that's kind of the way it is. But we came in a little early this morning. We got up around 10, and we're up here in Middlebury. Our appointment is at 1:50, and it's like 12:50. So we got another hour. So we're sitting at a park in Middlebury, and it's pretty cool because there's Amish people everywhere. I just love seeing the Amish people. Linda and I, every time we see one going down this road in their little buggy, we go, oh, there's one there, and there's one there, and all over. And we're sitting here at the park, and we can see 2 or 3 of them here having a picnic, and it's pretty neat. Something we don't normally see in St. Louis, so it is something different. But anyway, once we get to the factory tour, we're going to get back with you and give you a little insight on what's going on, and if we can get some pictures taken, we'll definitely post them up on there on the YouTube channel, RV Crazy. Sometimes I wonder, you know, but we'll see what happens, and fingers crossed that the truck comes in. We ordered right after the 4th of July, and I just got word last week that it could be, they initially told us November, December, but last week the salesman Rich down at Broadway Ford, wonderful place, told us that it's possible it could be in somewhere around the end of August. That's like a couple months early. Not complaining, but it'd be nice. That way we'd have the truck and the RV all together, and we could pretty much go anywhere we want. We've been looking at a place in Fenton, but they required a truck to be on site all the time at an RV park there, and we just didn't have that. So I'm gonna rent a truck for about a week when we get our RV in the next couple weeks, and that way I can go get it from Bonne Terre, bring it home, load it up, and see how we can get it over to Waterloo, Illinois, where we're going to be staying for the next couple months. And then the next time we need to move it, hopefully we'll have our own. And by the way, we looked at a white F-350, but if anybody knows me by now, red's the color, and had to go with red. You know, the race red looks really sharp on that brand new F-350. And most people know the new Solitude 390 has a little streak of red right through it. So on some of the graphics, I think it'll look good together. If nothing else, it'll surely stand out. So we'll see. But anyway, just a little update. I'm going to put in another one probably tomorrow. I don't think I'll be up to it tonight after we get done with the factory tour, because we got to drive all the way back home tonight. That's a long drive. Another 6 or 7 hours of driving. Not really up for that, but we'll see. Okay, so that's it for now. We'll get back with you later. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye. And don't forget, like and subscribe. Bye.